Hey there, this is Profit Launcher Members Place, and in this video I will prove you that Profit Launcher is really way cheaper than its price is marked. Okay, let me show you what are the stuffs given inside it. So this is the members place of this tool, and inside this tool the first thing you will be opening, that is welcome video is a very usual for any of the products. Okay, so next thing is the case study. Inside case study, the guy Shulek will be revealing you how he is earning money from online, and you can do so very easily by just implementing those steps that is given inside these topics. Okay, also the case study from Kalim and Bill is really a detailed case study, and these case studies are pretty similar because they are doing the same method, and they are the guy from the Ministry of Freedom, the course of Jono Armstrong. They have purchased that, and that is why they are implementing this thing so easily, and they are earning on a daily basis. So you can do so by not purchasing that course that will cost you $1,400, but you can bypass that, and you can only purchase you can only get the thing within just $12.95. So that is one of the reasons I can tell you that this tool is really way cheaper than its price is marked. And next thing is the mindset for profit. So mindset is being cleared here. Next thing is setting up for profit. So what are the stuffs needed inside this tool to start your journey? That is being talked inside this section. Setting up your profit, Warrior Plus JViso, Screenomatic, the screen recorder, the OBS studio, and next thing is finding an offer. I think this is a useless topic. Finding an offer, it is not needed to anyone, I think. Okay, so making a review video, this is a very vital thing and very vital topic. Once you just learn that, then you can earn money on a daily basis by just putting a little effort. Okay, you need to put a 1 hour effort or 2 hour efforts on a daily basis, so that you can earn money very easily online when you are sleeping also. I am also implementing those steps, but I have not purchased the Ministry of Freedom within just $1,400. Rather, I have gathered the knowledge from YouTube, the free place, and you can do so also, but you can also save up your time by just implementing inside these kind of courses, like that will cost you $12.95 only. So next thing is the making review video for free method. Total free method is being talked. And next thing is making a review video with bonus, like how you can integrate your bonus, how you can give the link of the bonus directly to the customer, and also playfully you can capture their emails, like you are giving something, you are intensifies them something, that is why they are giving you the email IDs, and you can also promote any other products in future, and you can build your email list for future. So you can do so by using Commission Gorilla very easily. So that is being talked here, that is being shown here. So you can also see that there are so many topics inside, so many subtopics inside one topic. So that is a very good thing for this course, and I think I have already completed 3 or 4 reasons. That is why this tool is totally justified for the price. Like the topics have so many subtopics, and the product you are delivered that is being taught inside the Ministry of Freedom, that will cost you $1,400, more than that. Okay, and next thing is the case studies are given, that is also the third reason. So next thing is the bonuses are given, all bonuses are placed here, 5 bonuses total will be delivered to you. And the next thing is support upgrade, and next thing is the first lesson. I don't know what is first lesson, I have not gone through that, but these are the first lesson. I don't know what is it. So you need to get the tool, you need to get the product to reveal the first lesson. And the best thing is the review video method, and everything is totally detailedly discussed. So that is the passive money earning method, and that is being taught. So Sulek Tigala is the owner of this product, and also the price is $12.95, and I have proven you that this is totally justified, or this is totally way cheaper than it looks. Okay, so that is a very amazing thing for this product. So usually this kind of product will cost you 17 bucks, but this product is way cheaper than 17 bucks. And these are the good things of this product, like the bonuses are coming, and also the amazing benefits. And next thing is the my bonuses I am giving you. I have written here my final words which comes from my heart. So let me reveal you now the bonuses. These are the bonuses that are revealing here, that are shown here. So that will be given to you totally free. There are also the vendor bonuses, and next thing is the upsell bonus. Once you have got the front end, then if you are satisfied, if you want to get the upsells, you will be given 400 plus mega bonuses. Usually other affiliates are giving you totally free, giving you the upsells without giving any bonus, but I am offering you also the mega bonus, and I am offering you my best bonus that comes from every field. So that is the exciting thing that you can get from my website. So that is the thing I want to say. So this is me, Chan Sarkar, and if you want to get the product, so you can click on the video description link to visit this page, and you can click any of the buttons on this page. You will be sent to this sales page, and in this sales page this will look something like that, or this is the sales page. Let me clear you that this is the sales page. Exactly, this is the sales page, and from this page you can get the tool. So this is me, Chan Sarkar, signing out for the video. Bye bye.